almost dropped the palette. So I'm just gonna do a little tutorial today, just on my eyes only. I did my face pretty much already. So just like a quick eye tutorial, just so I can say hi to everyone. But first, y'all know what to do. You know what to do. You know you want to press it. You know you want to press it. So just press it. Subscribe. Guys, I can't. Halloween's tomorrow. Can you believe that? Halloween is tomorrow and I have no costume. I've been working so much. It's crazy. So let's get into this eye. What I'm gonna do is just use the Juvia's Duche palette, and I'm gonna use this color here, this bone color, and just set my brow bone. I did carve out my brows just because I need to pluck my eyebrows, which usually I stay on top of because I just love plucking, but I've been so busy. Working, and if you guys don't follow my Instagram, follow, because I started a beauty box. So it's called the GLITZGLAMBOX, and basically it's just like all things glam. It's just like a really affordable, fun box, and I've partnered with a bunch of indie brands that probably people haven't heard of. So yeah, check it out. I'll put the link down below. It's only $15. I'm using the pink color here now because I want to do like a pink glittery kind of color, just to pay homage to my beauty box that I started. It's mostly glitter, like glittery products. So yeah. Alright, so it's just like pink, and I love that pink because it brightens, it totally brightens. I feel like it just like opens my eyes. It makes them look like awake. You're awake. Okay, so I did this eye. I just smoked it out just a little bit with this dark color here. This is called Chocolate. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side, and to do that I just kind of tap in the corner and just go like back and forth until you get your smokiness that you desire. Alright, that looks good. So I'm just gonna get my glitter ready and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did put down glitter glue because I want to put just like a full glitter lid. So I'm going to use this palette. It's from XNO Cosmetics, and it's called the GLITTERHOLIC palette. And if you look at it, it has a mirror, super nice mirror, and it has, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 pans. And they're all glitters except these matte shades here. So when I'm done with the glitter, I'll smoke it out with some matte shades here. Oh my gosh, I can't decide which one to use. I know I was gonna go with a pink theme. And there's 3 pink shades. There's this one, and this one. This one's kind of a little orangey pinky. I don't know, which one should I use? They're so cute. I think I'm gonna go with the darker one just because, I'm such a gold fiend. Yeah, so I'm gonna just take a brush and dip in here and go ahead and start packing it on. Wow, oh my gosh, that's like so opaque. Cool. I love glitter. If you guys didn't know from all my glitter tutorials, glitter cut creases, I'm like so into glitter. Glitter is life, because glitter is life. That's why. Wow, this is like so shiny and glittery. Yay! Yay! We love glitter over on the GLITZGLAMFIX channel. Wow! Oh my gosh. This is like major Coachella vibes. Awesome. So I'm gonna do this eye. Show you guys. Wow, that is so bright. I love it. Struggling. The mirror is like, this mirror is everything. It's so big. It's so big. Wow. This is everything. Awesome. I love it. You guys, I'm living for this fuchsia eye. Like, this is giving me such life on a Tuesday. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna take this like burgundy-ish brownish shade, and I'm just gonna just get a little more of the smoke back here on the sides that we created with the first palette, the Juvia's palette. So we'll just get a little more back, a little more going, and we'll do it on this side too. And then we'll do a little black, just because anyone who knows me knows I live for a black eyeshadow. Chanelle lives for a black eyeshadow. And I love to just take the shadow that's left on my brush. It's kind of ratchet, but I just pinch it and go under my eyelid here, my lash line. And if you can see here, I already had my foundation done and I have no fallout, so that's awesome. I changed my mind. I'm gonna do a little tiny bit of a wing just on the end, because I mean, why not, you know? Why not? So see, just on the end here. Wing it out a little bit. Guys, have you pre-ordered your GLITZGLAMBOX? It's only $15 a month. And you get all full-size products. And stay tuned to my Instagram for spoilers. I actually found a lippy that literally will match this perfectly, I think. So let's see. Let's see. Perfectly, it matches perfectly, it matches perfectly. Okay guys, so I just put on mascara. I'm gonna use the Pure Sculptor Kit to just contour and highlight just a little bit, and since I can't keep a secret, I'm like, should I give y'all a spoiler about the first product in the GLITZGLAMBOX? And I'm just sitting here like, should I tell you guys, or because I was saying I was gonna do it on Instagram. Like, I'm gonna give the spoiler on Instagram on the box page at GLITZGLAMBOX, and I'm just like, Well, maybe since I was using the product in this video, I should just spill the beans. Should I spill the beans? I don't know. So it is a product that I used in this video. Which one? Which one do we think? Should we tell? Should we tell? Alright guys, I can't keep a secret. The first item, your first ever GLITZGLAMBOX is, who can guess it? Who can guess it? It's this, the GLITTERHOLIC palette. Can you believe it, guys? For only $15, you're gonna get this palette with a full mirror, with 15 pans of glitter shadow, 3 pans of mattes up here to smoke it out. You're gonna get all that in the first ever GLITZGLAMBOX. So you wanna just make sure you pre-order, but ours is affordable. We are supporting indie brands. You know, it's cruelty free, it's glam, it's everything. It's everything. Like, you want to get this box. You're gonna want to get this box because it's the first box. It's the holiday edition. It's everything. It is everything. And if you don't want the box, you can give the box as a gift to someone, you know? Give the gift of glitter. Give the gift of glitter. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. So I'm just highlighting. I'm putting highlighter in my inner corners. And I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. And here and here. What do we think? What do we think? So I'm just highlighting here. This is with my the Physicians Formula Butter Collection highlight, and this is the highlighter in Full Moon. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think. Do you like the palette? I'm gonna post this tonight. And so that means anyone subscribed to my YouTube channel will get the extra exclusive first look at our first product. And if you want, you can follow the Instagram. It's at GLITZGLAMBOX, just like GLITZGLAMFIX, except it's like GLITZGLAMBOX. And I will be posting other spoilers. So just keep in mind, you get 4 full-size products. And yeah, it's only $15. I mean, why wouldn't you want one? Like, why wouldn't you want one? What do you guys think? What do we think? I still have the blonde hair on. Until the next video, guys, make sure you subscribe. Follow my Instagram at GLITZGLAMFIX. Follow the box's Instagram at GLITZGLAMBOX. Follow X&O Cosmetics at X&O Cosmetics. And till the next video, guys, bye.